Hi everyone. Today in this video you will get the idea that how to create a program in which we will learn the basics. But before we start coding, we need to know the difference between program and programming. Program is the set of instruction, while programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a task. So the main thing we need in coding is the header files, main function, and body of the program. First we start from the header files and to understand what is the header files. Now this is the simple coding. At the first line we can see hash include iostream. So what is this line? It is the actually header file which contain definition of functions and variables which are used in C++ programming language. Header files are used to define all of the functions, variables, and constants contained in any function library. So what is function library? Function library is standardized collection of header files used to implement common operations such as input, output, and string handling in C++ programming language. All the C++ library functions are declared in the different header files for different purposes. Function library are actually contain many functions which we will need in our programs. Now at the second line we have using namespace std. Std is the abbreviation of standard namespace. In this, cout and a lot of other things are defined. All the elements of standard C++ library are within namespace. Then we have int main. It is the main function or the predefined function whose data type is int. So int is the short form of integer and it is the data type. Int is the return type of main function. It can also be void main instead of int main. So in this case int main, it will return integer value, but in void main type of function, void main doesn't return anything. And we have curly brackets. These curly brackets denotes the body of the program. So between these brackets we write the statements, and that statements are actually the commands for computer to operate. Now inside the brackets we have a statement cout insertion sign double commas welcome to C++ double commas semicolon. Now cout is the library function which is used to print data on the user screen, and this library function is declared in the header file above include iostream. This is the header file and the cout is declared in this header file. And welcome to C++. It is the string that will be displayed on the user screen also. As we enclose the sentence welcome to C++ in the double commas, when we enclose a sentence or a statement in the double commas, it becomes string. At the end we use semicolon. Semicolon actually terminates or end the statement. Then at the end we have to write return 0. As we discussed earlier in the int main function that it will return a value. So here we write return 0. Now return 0 means that it will return 0 to the operating system. Now to compile the program so we can check the errors. Just click on this icon. So we have 0 errors, so it means that we can run the program easily. Now click on this icon to run the program. So it has displayed the result which is welcome to C++. I hope you understand. Thank you.